let's take a look at what we found at some yard sales.
I think I got like 10 pieces. Okay.
That is nice. A bleh. A bleh. A bleh. A bleh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Did you think about their Hollister shirts? But they're kind of funky and cool.
Oh.
Hollister, naughty and nice.
Christmas shirts?
Yeah.
They're interesting.
They're kind of weird. Yeah?
Yeah, right now obviously the solds aren't great. I
Mm-hmm.
saw one sold of this one recently for $30.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see any of this one, but
That
I
one,
like.
but still, take a chance on.
I can have this.
Hey, Sean.
The magic genie.
Dada is going to get this one. If I can find the remote to it. Right here.
This. Really? Dad, this is how it works. See it like
Oh, no way.
Let's try it. Can you tell me how much that
Is there anything else you want to look at?
What do you think about that?
Huh?
What do you think about that? We said we would only get it if we found anything else.
That's
We'll
true.
see how much
There's some
it is.
other little kids' toys over there. How much were you asking for?
Oh, no. It's
$2?
anything you
Okay.
bring.
Yeah, we were like, she won't need it long. We're like, if we can get it cheaper at a yard sale, let her enjoy it. Sorry.
He was on the go. He's been on the go ever since.
All right. Okay, this was definitely worth the $2.
Yeah.
Can I get some lemonade there? Well, thank you so much. All right, you keep working hard, okay?
Hello.
Hey there, how's it going?
Yeah, I've had cataract surgery on both of my eyes.
Where you get them? I need to do mine.
From the eye doctor, my eye doctor, I had to go to a surgeon.
He's
to
a
get 'em.
real good doctor.
I live in Suffolk.
Suffolk? That's where we work.
Yeah, I live in Suffolk. Yes, he is. He's a very good doctor.
Real good doctor, huh?
Yeah. I go to my eye doctor and he sent me to a surgeon. And they have to do 1 week at a time. First eye, and then you have to go back in a week and have the other eye done.
You got his phone number?
What'd you want on this?
Oh, $5.
'Cause I don't see. Yeah, do you have a power cord or
No, I
anything?
don't have any of that
It's
stuff.
just kind of, yeah.
Figure somebody would buy it that has one that has it.
Well, that's what I'm gonna try to find one.
Yeah, because I don't know much about them.
Yeah. No, I'll take it. You got change for 10?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, dear. I know you're busy working. Did you want to tell them about this little thing?
The PSP, was it a PSP Go or something?
Didn't you see it and then leave it behind because the kids were going crazy?
Yeah, it was sitting on a table. I think I was in the process of looking it up because I had never seen a PSP that looked like this. I think one of our kids picked up like a pocket knife. The other one, I don't know, was wearing something, and I was just like, guys, we're not supposed to be touching this stuff. Let's put it down. Got distracted, walked away, never finished looking it up. Go to leave the yard sale, and I'm telling him about what the kids are doing, and he's like, a PSP, and I'm like, yes, do we need to go back?
So she turned around.
I turned around real quick.
I went and picked it up, $5. Good news, we got to get a cord for it.
Yeah.
If it's working, $200. But let's say we sell it as this parts only, it'll still do like 80 to 100.
You're from the church.
Staying busy, yep. Staying busy.
What you doing, man?
I had the yard sales all the time, yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah, because I got a YouTube channel now. So
Oh.
go to yard sales, find treasures, have fun.
Ghost ate all the salt.
Yes, he did.
Yes, it did. They made 24 sausage patties last night. Ghost got all the stuff.
And I've been hitting it. That height.
What'd you want on some of these?
25 cents.
All right, I might get a few. I know we've been on the hunt for kids books, but there's some in here. No, our oldest, he's into the Captain Underpants,
Oh, that's what he's into.
Dog Man, and
About to sell. You didn't want to sell those, remember?
he's like, there's one I'm done with. Yeah.
Oh well.
No, I mean, it's no biggie. We're just like, we figure we could find some at some yard sales this summer, you know.
Keep the story.
Oh, wait. You did have one over here.
It's gonna come back.
One, two, three, four. All right. We got
She's got all
the money.
Yeah, she's.
Here, I'm just gonna stick them right here.
Yeah, you want to stay right.
That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's just 6. I think. Couple books. You got any old video games laying around, do you?
I did actually.
Did you?
I got a whole bag, but they're.
Thank you, sir.
I got like PlayStation 2 and
Yeah,
3, all that.
No,
laying
that's,
around at
that's what
home.
I'm putting all together now. Take my number. You know, you might have it. And you just tell me a price. I got those 2 books and
Oh, that it's
a couple
all.
of those stuffed animals.
Is that still it or is it different?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
You okay with
Yeah,
that?
because
Yeah,
the
because I've got a
game-
bunch. And I don't have the systems anymore, but I
Yeah,
have all
yeah.
the games.
$2.
See, I have. Okay, I have this. Oh, that's fine.
You three. Yep. Don't forget what your total is now, okay?
Oh, he's excited. He's like, I'm selling stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I told him he gets to keep all this because for him, everything else is
Thank you,
going
sir.
because having a baby.
Oh, there you go. Congrats.
And then my brother's having a baby too, so this is all for grandkids
2 weeks
now.
apart.
There you go.
And
Yeah.
they're both girls.
But yeah, well, give me a text, man.
Yeah,
and
I'll
let
shoot
me
you
know.
a text, let you know.
All right. How's it going? Doing good. Smurf ball. Hold the sleuths. Yeah. Oh yeah? That's cool. What'd you want on this? I was seeing if the pieces were there.
I've got 50 cents on the games.
It's got some of them. What you got, Riff? What is that?
Story.
Okay. You want to get this book?
Yeah.
Alright, just taking this and this.
All right, it'll be 75.
I'll just do a buck. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
So there are a couple little quick yard sale finds for you, and I'm so thankful you watched, but also remember, we have the reseller bracket challenge coming back up.
Items we can buy cheap,
A bargain.
then sell them for a profit.
Price.
About 22.
Just bought one of my own cars.
You're flipping my car for profit.
The opportunity to sell it yourself.
A bracket there.
Bud Liquor! Our prices have never been lower!
It's all junk.
You suck.
Just sell them on eBay.
Oh, I don't get it.
Okay. And just to explain, because we're still looking for a few people to compete in this fun challenge. It's when you find cool little objects like this PSP Go. They're just kind of not normally what you see, or maybe it's a lot of items that you find, like this big Transformers purchase that we did all at once, that we enter in. All you got to do is put the content out there. Great place to learn as well. You get to discover new channels. You get to learn new bolos. So stay tuned. We're going to have fun this year in the Reseller Bracket Challenge. Thanks for watching. We'll see you real soon.